Presenting Samsung Galaxy S23 5G smartphone. It is available in cream, green and phantom black color variants. Get super smooth experience with 8GB RAM. You can choose between 128GB or 256GB internal storage based on your need. Enjoy browsing and viewing your favorite content with the 6.1 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity OFHD Plus screen and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Capture your moments with the 50-megapixel wide-angle camera and 12-megapixel front camera that rapidly combines frames to extract bits from each into a single high-res photo. The Nightography's enhanced AI keeps details clear, so low-light photos and videos will be bright and colorful. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy optimizes and streamlines your device for silky smooth games without draining the battery. Experience long-lasting battery life with 3900 mAh capacity. The box includes a smartphone, ejection pin, USB cable and manual.